I had a chance to buy one of these for $1,500. Oh, about 15 years ago. Just a roller. And a guy had a small block Chevy in it. He pulled that out. It was, I think it was definitely a drag car. I can't remember if it had a cage in it or not. This may be the car. I don't know. Probably not, but pretty cool nonetheless. Check that out.
You got normal doors, and you got suicide doors, which we're gonna like. We're just
It is fiberglass.
It's like a Rolls Royce.
I think the hood. I think the whole body lifts off the front. I think these were kit cars. I think the kit cars, the hood's tilted forward, but on this one here, I believe they've got it fiberglass down, so you have to lift the whole front of the body pins from right down there. Just pull the whole body off. Makes it easy to work on. Don't see no seat, so I'm not sure how you. I see a couple of cushions. These are cushions right here. I'd love to take it for a spin. I swear I would. Is it for sale? Nope, it ain't for sale. Crazy car. Crazy.